In today's video, you will learn how to make a ginger foot bath. Have you ever heard about it? No? Then stay tuned. Are your feet always cold? Do you have circulatory issues? We recently talked about the causes of cold feet and hands. Have you seen it? If you suffer from it, watch the suggested video. Thinking about this issue, we decided to show you a foot bath with ginger, juniper, and cloves to improve your blood circulation, detox, and warm the body. Isn't it interesting? During the colder season, it is common that our feet get cold, but some people have cold feet even when wearing socks or during the summer. These situations, besides being annoying, require some attention to their possible causes. It may be an imbalance of the body, health issues, or even emotional factors. Did you know that? In this case, seek professional help to treat your problem. But if your issue is the low temperature or lack of circulation, this foot bath can help you. You only need 3 ingredients to make it: ginger, juniper, and cloves. Ginger is known for warming the body, while juniper has stimulating properties, and clove is analgesic. This foot bath is relaxing and reinvigorating. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients: 3 drops ginger essential oil, 1 teaspoon juniper, 1 teaspoon clove, 1 tablespoon rosehip, 2 tablespoons dried hibiscus, 3 bay leaves crushed, 1 tablespoon orange zest. Directions: take a piece of cloth, sterilized, and combine all ingredients in it. Close with a string to make a bundle. Put the bundle in a basin with hot water. Wait for 10 minutes for the volatile oils to disperse in the water. Pour some cold water to cool down, then put your feet in the water. Let your feet rest for 30 minutes. This combo reduces levels of irritation, stress, and toxins. So, what did you think of this recipe? Try it and share your experience with us in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.